923. Show me on the phone.
You know what I'm saying? Go in there and look in there, bro. Do your job.
What's your name, man?
I ain't giving you my name, sir, because you know what I'm saying? Like, you can go check in there.
Put the chicken down.
Put the chicken down.
Put the chicken down. Put the chicken down, man. Put the chicken down. Okay. Put the chicken down. Drop the chicken.
Sir, you can let go of me. You know what I'm saying?
Put your hand behind your back, man. Quit resisting.
Yo, hold on, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
Did you?
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not.
Put your hand behind your back.
Bro, you got me. Man. You know what I'm saying?
923. One's fighting me. Get back, man. Black male, southbound Rosemary, northbound Rosemary. Get back here, man. Taser deployed. Get back here, man. Get back here, man.
Nah, nigga, you illegally arrested.
Come on, man.
You illegally trying to arrest me.
Black male, all black. We're still in the alleyway. Get back here, man. Still chasing, he's walking away. Get back here, man.
Why ain't still shit, bro? You know what I'm saying? Dude just got there and walked out the store. Ain't even shit. You know what I'm saying?
Wait.
Dude just walked up to me, bro.
Okay, listen.
Put your hands
You know what I'm saying?
Talk to me, bro.
Bro, get off me, bro, because you ain't got no
bro. Let's find out what's going on.
Bro, find out what's going on then first, bro. Find out what's going on.
You already pulled away, man. We got to detain you now. We got to detain you. Listen to me. You know me.
Yeah,
We got to detain you.
But ain't got, bro, he ain't got no right to be touching me.
We close for.
You ain't got no right to be touching me though, bro.
Listen, man, I talked to staff. They say you ain't paying nothing. I came to you, put you in
no, you didn't, bro.
You pulled away
you ain't
from
talking
me.
No, bro.
Hold on.
Nigga.
I ain't gonna lie to you, man. What you did is wrong, though. Come on.
You
What you did was wrong. You threw the beer at me, you threw your cup at me, and now you pulled away. I got
nah,
the
bro,
cup
nah, bro, you ain't talking
right now you detained,
bro.
bro.
Beer at him? Nah, I ain't throw no beer at him, bro.
Bro,
Hold
listen,
on.
You got to, bro.
Bro, you got
Just hold on. Dude.
man, whatever, man. This dude, man, look, man.
Okay, well,
Alright, bro.
I'm going to go inside. I'm going to go inside.
You know what I'm saying?
What they say, take the beer?
Back that up.
Where you take the beer?
My car's on that side.
I like that. I got on that.
Disrespectful ass nigga. See him?
So what they were saying?
So I'm saying at that entrance, he walks out with an 18-pack of beer, chicken, and he just walks out. He ain't got no bag. I asked the cashier. She said no. He just walked right out. He didn't pay for it. I asked another person there.
No,
he
you
walked
didn't,
right
bro.
out. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It's done.
You didn't, bro.
Then I approach him at the bus stop. I say,
No,
yo,
you didn't, bro. You a damn liar, bro.
Okay.
You a damn liar.
Yeah, let's
You a
go.
damn liar, bro.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm going over there.
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's going on? No, stay in the car. Stay in the car. I'm Sergeant Ingrassia. I'm not here for whatever the hell happened down there. I'm here for everything.
All that happened is, bro, you know what I'm saying, I walked out the store and this gentleman right here, well, it was one of you guys standing in the front, one of you guys was standing in the back. You know what I'm saying?
Well, here, wait, hold on. What's your name, brother? So I don't, what do you want me to call you? What's your name?
Man, everybody call me Ghost, bro. You know
Ghost? All right. You want me to call you Ghost? I'll call you Ghost.
You know what
All right. I'm Jamie.
What's up?
How about
How
that?
you doing, Jamie?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Under different circumstances, it would be nicer. But yeah, whatever.
What's up?
All right. So you walked out. He detained you for whatever.
Basically just pick me up. Just you know what I'm saying? Didn't have no reason, just based off just I guess just as a mark. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Like I said, I'm not here for
you know what I'm saying?
criminal aspect, stuff like that.
So I was telling him to go in
You walked
there.
out with stuff in your hands.
Yeah, and I was telling him to go in there. You know what I'm saying? Do your job. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I mean? He refused to do that. You know what I'm saying? He decided to just accuse me, assume.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's what happened. Man.
All right. So then he went to
So
basically
basically
detain you, right?
he assaulted me. You know what I'm saying?
All right. So he went to detain you. You didn't want to
But
have any part of it. Why'd you pull away though?
Because he ain't got no right, bro. What you mean? I got rights too. He ain't got no right to be
He's under the
touching me.
impression that you just walked out with all the stuff.
Impression. You can't impression.
Well, we detain to investigate. So
Yeah,
basically,
but
if you have
no,
the receipt, stuff like that, and
no,
everybody there,
no,
so you pay for it, you're like, oh, you're
No,
not.
sir. You know what I'm saying?
Did you pay for it? Like,
everything's paid for. You know what I'm saying?
Now he did fire a taser shot at you.
Yeah, he did.
Did it hit you?
Do
we know? Here, hold on.
Well, here goes.
Luke, come here.
It probably did this right here. You know what I'm saying? It probably hit this shirt right here. You know what I'm saying?
Right there?
Yeah.
All right. What we're going to do is we're going to pull you out of the car, right?
Right.
Don't get funny with us.
Okay.
I need to check to see if this probe is in you anywhere. You got any injuries? Do you have any other complaints of injuries?
I ain't got
or
no
anything?
injuries.
All right, here, step on out for
You know
us.
what I'm saying?
All right.
I mean, other than
So that hole you're saying wasn't there, right?
No, this was not there. You know what I'm saying?
All right, turn around.
That was not there.
Turn around, we're going to check all your clothing, and then we're going to pull your shirt up to make sure that the taser isn't attached to your chest. You got nothing on there that's going to poke me, stab me,
I
blow
got
up, right?
nothing. I got nothing.
No hand grenades, rocket launchers, anything crazy?
Nothing. You know what I'm saying?
All right. I'm going to pull the front of your shirt up, all right? Make sure that you didn't get hit.
You know what I'm saying? What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, drink. Yeah, what's up?
Nothing in the legs or
I
anything?
got nothing, bro. I got nothing on me, man. You know what I'm saying?
All right. And that hole wasn't there, you're saying?
It was not there. I just, it was not there.
All right, nothing
You know
in
what
the
I'm
hair or
saying?
anything?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nada.
All right, have a seat for me, brother.
Have a seat. So,
Yeah, have a seat.
but
Like I said, I don't know about the whole arrest. I'm the supervisor on scene because the taser was deployed, there was a tussle, all that stuff.
I'm not being arrested, yo, because I ain't did nothing wrong.
Okay. That's
arrest
between
people,
you and my officers.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like, but
Ghost, have a seat for me, please.
yeah, I ain't did
All right.
nothing wrong. You know what I'm saying? They checking the video now. You know what I mean? They checking the video.
All right, sit tight, all right? I'll be right with you.
Yeah.
Hey man,
Hey, what's up, man?
What's your name again?
Um,
what's your name again?
sir, I ain't did nothing wrong, man.
Alright, what happened?
You know what I'm saying? Like, for one, all I did was just walked out of the store. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
After, you know what I'm saying? After my purchase. You know what I'm saying? Walked out of the store.
What'd you buy?
You know what I'm saying? I was standing waiting for the free ride. You know what I'm saying? Standing right there by the free ride, waiting on my ride to come. You know what I'm saying? Free ride to come. One of you guys just walked up and just basically just, you know what I'm saying? Just put his hands on me like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? For no reason, man. So honestly, I don't owe you guys a name or nothing. 'Cause I did not do nothing wrong. You know what I'm saying? The store itself, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Not even they is saying I did anything wrong. It's your guy saying.
So, what happened between you and the officer tussling?
Man, the guy tussling. You know what I'm saying? We didn't tussle. You know what
Oh,
I'm
you
saying?
didn't?
You know what I mean? I felt assaulted because I'm sitting there waiting on my ride. And, you know what I'm saying?
He just grabbed
And he
you?
just grabbed me. You know what I'm saying?
Where did he grab you?
On my wrist.
Did he put handcuffs on you?
Yes, he put on this hand right here. And I, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't did nothing wrong.
So you
know
just
what I'm
pushed away?
saying? Yeah, I pulled away. Of
Or
course.
pulled away?
Of course I'm going to pull away. You know what I'm saying?
Did you push the officer?
No, I ain't pushing him.
Oh,
I
okay.
pulled away. I
Did he
pulled
push
my
you?
hand. Yeah, he pushed me. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
And you know what I'm saying? This right here too. You know what I'm saying?
What's that?
It wasn't there before I went to the store. You know what I'm saying?
What is it?
He shot a taser at me.
Oh, that's where the
I
taser.
ain't tripping about none of that. Though,
Did
you
it
know what
hit
I'm
you?
saying?
Lift up your shirt. Did it hit you in the
It
chest?
didn't penetrate. You know what I'm saying? It didn't penetrate, and I ain't tripping about none
Oh,
of that.
okay.
You know what I'm
Here,
saying?
turn around this way.
I'm not tripping about none of that stuff. You know
No,
what I'm
it
saying?
looks
I'm
like
not. I'm upset
I
about
think
the
it
fact
did.
that.
Let me see. It looks like it might have skipped you.
I'm just oh well yeah that right
Okay.
there. Well,
All
you know what I'm saying? I didn't even know that.
Here, turn around. Let me
I
see
ain't
the
tripping
back.
about
Make
that.
sure you did.
I'm not.
Lift
I'm
up
not-
your shirt. I'm trying to see if you have
I'm not
injuries.
tripping about the little table shot, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Pain. You know what
Well,
I'm
you
saying?
only got hit once, so you're not going to feel anything.
Yeah, I ain't feel it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But
You have any other injuries?
nah,
me see your
man. You know what I'm
hands.
saying? Like, literally, I just want to get something to eat, bro. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? I got no injuries. You know
Oh, okay.
what I'm saying?
But you don't have any marks or bruises or anything like that? Did you try to punch the officer or anything?
No, I ain't trying to punch him. I ain't swinging. I didn't even try to. You know what I'm saying? I just didn't want to be assaulted for no reason. And they ain't did nothing
Yeah.
wrong. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
Yeah, one of the witnesses out there said you had beer in your hand and you tried to hit the officer with the beer.
Nah, I ain't trying to hit him with no beer. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to hit nah.
You're
But-
saying that's not what happened?
But the fact is about it is, sir. I know that's not what happened. But the fact I was assaulted
Then
for
what
no
happened?
reason. I was accused of stealing for
Okay.
no reason.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm
They
saying.
have video
Like,
in there.
like,
You have a receipt?
Sir, I shop at that store. That's one of I know. many
Where's your
people
receipt?
at that store? I don't need a. I mean, sir, look. I buy the same thing at that store every day or every other day.
You're on video walking out with the stuff though, not paying. You know that they have cameras all around that place.
Nah, man, you know what I'm saying? No.
They looked at the footage. You didn't pay for it.
No, they didn't, sir. There's no way that.
Maybe you think you paid for it, but you didn't.
Whatever. So, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Whatever.
All right. So no other injuries or anything like
Nah,
that.
man. Man, you know what it is, bro.
All right. Well, anyways, you gotta tell us your name. We know who you are, but just so you know, you are under arrest. And when you're under arrest, you have to give us your name. Otherwise, you get another charge.
You guys gonna have to fingerprint me. You know
No, we know who you are.
You know what I'm saying? Because I caught amnesia.
So,
You know what I'm saying?
did you guys check you on the wallet on you or anything? All this stuff is up there? Okay, if you don't want to give us your name, you're going to catch another charge. Huh?
What do you mean I'm got another charge?
You got it?
You know what I'm saying? How can I catch another charge? Sir,
I'm going to explain it to you one more time because maybe I wasn't clear the first time.
Yeah.
When you are under arrest, right?
Yeah.
And
Okay,
the officer,
Yeah, all right. Yeah, I
See,
I
you're not
give you the
listening.
name. I give you my name.
what's your name?
It's Morey. You know what I'm saying? Morey.
Okay.
You know how to spell. Morey. That's it. You know what I'm saying?
All right. Yeah, it's just to explain, when you are under arrest and we ask for your name, you have to provide your name. If you don't, that's another charge.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah.
well.
Right. Just FYI. Not going to hit you with it because you gave it to me. But, all right. I'm going to take some pictures of you in a little bit, okay? In a minute.
I mean, for what?
Because you got a little mark right here. We're a
For
taser.
what, though? I mean, for what?
It's administrative stuff that we do. We have to do it. That is the law says so. So just give me 1 second, all right?
For sure.